Hey there, Scott here. Welcome to Saws on Skates. Tired of digging through a cluttered workbench to find what you need? This French Cleat tool shelf is the answer. I'll show you how to build a reconfigurable organizer that puts planers, sanders, and more at your fingertips. To get your free plan, including detailed instructions and measurements, click the link in the description box below. While I built 3 shelves, I'll focus on the steps involved in making one for simplicity. The entire project is made with 3/4 inch plywood. The bottom and the sides are the same width, so I used my circular saw and a Craig rip cut to rip about 34 inches of 3/4 inch plywood to 8 inches. Using my miter saw, I cut one piece to 13.5 inches for the bottom. The bottom connects to the sides with 4 pocket hole screws. I used a pencil to mark their locations. I adjusted my pocket hole jig for 3/4 inch material and drilled one at each mark. For the back panel, I ripped a 3/4 inch piece of plywood to 8 3/4 inches. I switched over to the miter saw to cut it to its final length of 13.5 inches. The back connects to the bottom and sides with pocket hole screws. After marking the locations, I drilled a pocket hole at each mark. I clamped the back on the bottom and attached it using pocket hole screws. For the best fit, I recommend measuring from the bottom to the top to determine the height for the sides. From the leftover plywood used for the bottom, I cut 2 side pieces to 9.5 inches. To create the angled design, I began by marking a point at the bottom edge, followed by a mark at the top. Using a straight edge, I connected the 2 marks. After marking the angle, I used the miter saw to make the cut. I went with 39 degrees as it appeared to be the closest match. Here's a handy tip. I set a stop so I could repeat the cut on the second side. After clamping the side in place, I attached it using pocket hole screws. To hang the shelf, I cut a French cleat to length and clamped it in position. After marking the countersink hole locations, I used an awl to make a starting point for the drill bit and then made the holes with a countersink bit. Using wood screws, I attached the cleat to the shelf. That's it! Your shelf is ready to get your tools organized. To get your free plan, including detailed instructions and measurements, click the link in the description box below.